welcome back! Today we're gonna take a closer look at the new release from Trinity Stamps. I don't have every product that are being released since this is a pretty big release, but I have a lot of it. So I thought we are gonna go in and look at some of the fun products that are being released. And I can in here some footage of the other products that I don't have in the end of this video if you're interested in that one. So this first one, it's a larger Slimline die that you are getting a lot of different dies in. This one is called, let me just look, Wonky Stitch Wilderness. And it has the clouds that are some stitching details. This will just pierce, they will not cut. It's also the mountains, this will actually cut, and this will cut and pierce the mountain tops. Some stars, a sun I believe, or a big star, and the Wonky stitched Slimline Die. And you can see that this also will cut the outer edge. Perfect for your cards to get that fine finished look at your cards. And when we are on the topic of the Slimline series, this is a really large die. It's an envelope die that will create a Slimline envelope. You can also fit your Slimline cards in a business envelope, but this one will make it so you can create it however you want it to. You can see all the pieces here, and it also comes with this fun, I would say, Wonky stitched inner edged and the piercing for your card bases to get that cool finished effect as well. And also this large hello and friend, hello friend. And if I take a regular sized card base, you can see how big that hello is. It will actually cover the entire card panel, and for the friend as well. So with the shadow, it barely, it fits perfectly actually, but it's just on top of the edge there. So with a hello, it fits really nicely inside of this. So that is a really fun product that are being released. And also a fun Alfa. I really like this font, and you can see the fun hearts and star here. Really cool. Just love this one. I think if you see on top of this, it's some gaps between them, but you can see how big this is. You can see it on the other as well. It's really nice. So now we're going to talk a little bit about the stamps. So this one is called Rock You, and it has that fine font, and this is really cool, I think. Kind of a retro feel to it. And this one, Let the Good Times Roll. It has this cute unicorn. And of course you can get the coordinating dies as well. And what I love about Trinity Stamps is that they also include the dies for the sentiments. So that is really nice. Here is another one with a large sentiments. This one I think is just beautiful, and you can see as well here is coordinating dies that you can get, and banners so that you can fit and just cut this out if you want to, or fit the other sentiments inside. So really cute idea as well. And it's a similar one also being released, and I can put a picture somewhere here of how that looks. Here's another one, a really fantastic one. It's called Outer Space, and has the fun greetings. And greetings from outer space. Hope your birthday is Otter this world, and so on and so on. And you can see this fun stitched heart. It comes with a coordinating die, but as well as the stitching die. So that is also fun, and you can see all the dies that cut out the sentiments. So really beautiful. And this is one of my favorites from this release. It's called Dust Bunnies, And they are super adorable, and of course they are included dies, or sorry, you can get these dies separately, but they are dies. So beautiful. And there is a similar one called Tea Bunny, I think. I can put a picture up here. Also super cute. I think this one is my favorite. Look at that little guy. I hope the camera is picking up how cute these are. And you also get this large bed. And there is this stamp set with some greetings, and also another one that is more Easter typed. I can put a picture up here. And this one, it's amazing. It's called A Sentiment for Almost Everything. And you can see you have pretty much every sentiment you could ever be needing. And I love this font because it's so easy to heat emboss, and that is what I really like to do, heat emboss a white sentiment on top of a black cardstock. So you can see all the fun sentiments that you get, all from happy birthday to thank you teacher, Merry Christmas, congratulations, happy graduation, happy Halloween, happy everything, happy pre-retirement, I'm so sorry for your loss, happy Mother's Day, happy Father's Day, let's get together, happy new year, just because, safe travels on your new, and then you can compare it to new job, new home, new baby, and so on. So really fun sentiments. And drum roll, because this is probably my favorite thing in this release, and there are the stencils. So don't mind that my stencils are packed like this, because they will actually come together. But since I live in Sweden, I get my stuff a little bit earlier so that I can have a chance to play with them. So these one are large stencils that will fit with your Slimline series. So this one is the striped one, and they are, I believe they are 6 by 9. Now I get a little bit, I should have looked at this before, 9 by 6, yes. So they are large, and they will cover the entire front of the panels, and of course you can use this with your standard card sizes as well. It's just that you have a little bit more space, and you can also, these are fun because you can also use them with your scrapbooking. So these two come in one pack, and there are also one pack, just let me grab them, with the circles. So you get a pack of 4 with your circles, and it's the large. It's like, could you say a chevron pattern when they are going for big to small and then up to big again? I don't know, please comment down below what it's called. And then there's the smallest dots, the medium size. I probably should put them like this. And then that fun one. So I'm thinking, of course, transfer gel and some transfer foil on this. Super excited, and maybe some gels. I got some new gels from Gina K, and I think they will be super cute on top of this. And then it's a fun one. I need to include a picture because I don't think you will understand exactly how cool this is until you see a picture. Once again, I hope I will manage to put a picture up here. But this one is a really fun one. It's called, what is it called? It's called, just hang in there 1 second and I will look it up. It's called Layered Lakeside Mountain. And this creates, as you can see hopefully on the picture here, this fun like lake, wood and a rock here. So really cool, and you can create these amazing scenes with all of this. And I think, hang on, I think this actually yes, it's coordinates, I think, I'm pretty sure, yes it does, with this that I showed you previously, the Wonky stitched Slimline series. So super cool that those coordinates, and you can see you get all the pieces here, so you can mask them off and create shadows and layers and everything. I just love this. I think it will be so much fun to play with. And of course, we have an out of space kind of theme, and I will not show you these side by side because these actually come separately. And this one is called Crater Layers. I need to show you a picture as well because this is super cool. I will do a video soon, I hope. So this like shows you how to create planets. Super adorable and so easy to do with just one stencil. And this one is called Interplanetary, and you can see all the cool planets that you can create. Also really love this one. Amazing. And when we are on the theme here of space, I need to show you a picture again because this doesn't make it justice. You can see all of these swirls that create like a galaxy scene, and as well this is 6x9, so it's a large one and you can cover slimline card base. So absolutely love this one. And here is another one that is also coming with this, the stars, that one. So these 3 come in a pack. And last but not least is this cute park tree, and it's just beautiful, and I cannot wait until I get to create with this. Hopefully I have included a picture as well how cute this is. So I hope you saw something that you liked, and I hope I managed to cut in all the pictures of everything that I didn't get from this release. And it's a Coverplate die as well that I didn't show you, with stars that you can actually layer together to create a larger pattern. So it's super cool as well. It's a large die with a finger. Also super cool, like creates like a card base itself. Amazing. And it's also a spaceship. Oh my god, you have to check that out if you haven't seen it yet from the other designers. Super cool. So I hope you like this release. It's a huge release from Trinity Stamps, and I know that I will be playing a lot with this. So stay tuned for more inspiration. Bye!